welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an eye makeup tutorial. It's basically this kind of like pink, natural kind of big eyelashes makeup tutorial sort of thing. And yeah, so throughout this video I'm not going to be talking, I'm just going to leave on some music so you can watch me do the eye makeup, listening to some music, and it's nice and easy to follow. So yes, this is me with no eye makeup. I'm wearing a little bit of mascara though. So this is one of the eye makeups that I do almost every day. It's one of my new eye makeup styles that I came up with and that I really love. So I'm going to show it to you guys, and yeah. So the two makeup palettes that we're going to be using throughout this video is the 35X Morphe palette, which is the main palette we're going to be using with all the pinks and all that. And then I'm also using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette as well. And yes, I'll show you the palette and the colours that I pick throughout this video so you can see which ones I'm using. So I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah.
No sunlight, yeah. I think my soul became divided. If it's you that took my heart, it don't make no sound. I could hear that out when you need me the most. If it's true, my love, then give me a call. All that I want is you in my room, yeah. And I wish I could say what I wanted to, love, oh, it's all okay. Just can't believe my luck when the seasons change. I wanna see the leaves fall with you, oh, fall with you. Oh, silent rooms and puzzles where we can't find hope. It's truly wrong here. I hope that soon we find our purpose. It's all on you, and all I gotta say is, and I wish I could say what I wanted to, love, oh, it's all okay. Just can't believe my luck when the seasons change. I wanna see the leaves fall with you, oh, fall with you, yeah. And I wish I could say what I wanted to, love, oh, it's all okay. Just can't believe my luck when the seasons change. I wanna see the leaves fall with you, oh, fall with you. Fell in love with your energy. I need you here right next to me. I wanna get drunk, drive endlessly, watch your hair fall perfectly. I wanna waste time and kiss you slow, face the world, time, rain or snow. It's all I ever really wanna know, and I want it here right now with you. And baby, can you feel your emotion? Yeah, it's running through your heart. And trust me, yeah, we'll make it so far away from here, love. And lost in the rainstorm, but you know I'll keep you safe. And fingers through your hair, you know you just deserve the best. Get drunk, drive endlessly, watch your hair fall perfectly. I wanna waste time and kiss you slow, face the world, sun, rain or snow. It's all I ever really wanna know, and I want it here right now with you. Fell in love with your energy. I need you here right next to me. I wanna get drunk, drive endlessly, watch your hair fall perfectly. perfectly. I wanna waste time and kiss you slow. Face the world, sun, rain or snow. It's all I ever really wanna know, and I want it here right now with you. When you say it like that, I'll slip through the cracks. I'm lost in your emotion, mind under attack. I'm focused on your movements while your heart stays black. Lost again, yeah, I'll find a way to bring you back. Oh, we'll be waiting for a long time, for acceptance in yourself and for peace.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed that makeup tutorial, and I hope you have fun recreating this yourself if you do. If you don't, then I just hope that you had fun watching anyway. I guess it's fun to watch people do their eye makeup and stuff like that, you know. I enjoy watching the makeup tutorials. But anyway, I hope you guys have been well and, you know, been keeping safe and all that. And yeah, so it was lovely making this video for you, and it's lovely reading your comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. And yes, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!